Super quick video, transmission fluid change, because I see a lot of people doing it wrong here on YouTube. Okay, first, most importantly, drain bolt right here. This is the drain bolt. Always make sure that is coming off first before you do anything, because if you can't get that off, how you gonna, put the fluid in? I see a lot of people on YouTube always changing their transmission fluid by putting it through the dipstick, and that mess is wrong. This is the dipstick right here for the transmission, the yellow. Okay, make sure it's warmed up before you check the levels. Make sure the car is at operational temperature to fill it up. And the bolt is already off for me, but right here in between, right there in between, it's the fill bolt. That's the correct way of doing it. The bolt's already off, but on the bolt it says ATF, automatic transmission fluid abbreviations. That's the correct way to fill up a transmission fluid on a 2009 through maybe 2015 Honda Pilot, maybe earlier models too on top of that. Okay, that's how you do it. That's the way of the manual. That's the way of the shop manual. That's the way, the official way of Honda. Thanks for watching. Subscribe.